Hello. So to answer the first question, how is it being a physical education teacher in the Philippines? So, being a physical education teacher in the Philippines can be rewarding. Yes, ang pagiging teacher po ng physical education sa Pilipinas can be rewarding. Why should I say so? Because you can able to experience a lot of opportunities. Yes, you will have time to work with your student closely, promote teamwork, and also you in teaching physical education, you will also promote physical fitness, teamwork, and sports development. Of course, andyan din po yung country's culture, yung value sports. So, ang pagtuturo po ng physical education sa Pilipinas ay napaka-rewarding for me kasi yes, you can able to, interact with your students at hindi po siya boring kasi more on physical activities like ginagawa outside. So, base sa akin, napakaganda ng pagtuturo ng physical education here in the Philippines. Okay, so to answer the second question, what common challenges hinder you from implementing quality physical education instruction? Since our school is far from poblacion or town center, some common challenges that might hinder implementing quality PE instruction sa paaralan po namin is, of course, the limited access to sports facilities and equipment. Yes, nagkakaroon po kami ng something like our students are not much aware sa mga equipments or sa mga facilities na ginagamit sa pagtuturo ng physical education. Aside from that, insufficient budget for PE programs and equipment. Yan po yung mga challenges na medyo or na i-encounter sa aming school or sa pagtuturo ng physical education. Okay, to answer the last question, how do you cope with or overcome challenges from implementing quality physical education instruction? So, to cope up with or overcome with challenges as a PE teacher, or might consider the following strategies po. Of course, be resourceful. Kung ano po yung mga available na gamit, yan lang din po yung ginagamit namin. Develop partnership with local community organization or sports clubs, since our school has a lot of physical education instructor or physical education teacher, mga PE teachers. Yun po yung ginagawa namin is that kung ano po yung mga master talaga ng of course kasi once you are a PE teacher or MAPE teacher, merong skills po na dapat nakafocus ka lang. So kung ano yung na-focusan po nung mga bawat teacher sa amin, yun din po yung tinuturo ng maayos. So kung ano yung mga available po na gamit na pwede namin gamitin sa pagtuturo, yun lang din po yung ginagamit namin.